create a schedule for Tikom G8000, first of all we'll need to launch our Tuya app. Next step is to select the robot below right here, and then we can look for the more options by clicking on the three dots right here. Now find a schedule cleaning. Here you will find all of the schedules that you've created, and you can add additional ones by clicking on the add button, select the time when the schedule should begin, and then change when it will repeat any day of a week right here. So pick whichever options you like. Then there's a cleaning times, how many cleans will a robot perform. There's up to 2 options, so you can clean 1 time or 2 times. Then there's the plan cleaning area. If you have maps selected, then you'll be able to customize the cleaning location for your robot as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.